how to vlog. What is this? Who needs DSLRs? What is this? Who needs this? This is vlogging 101. Welcome to How to Vlog, the 3-part series on how to create your own vlog. Part 1 is all about equipment, and I have it all here, right here in front of us. Are you ready? Let's go! Now, do you really need to have all this equipment in order to start your vlog? Absolutely not. When I started my first vlog, all I had was my camera. I strongly believe into continuous improvement. Therefore, with every video, with every post, you can create more, you can improve your equipment, you can use more equipment. But all you need to do is to start. So as I mentioned in part 1 of this series, I'm going to be talking about equipment. I have 10 pieces of equipment that I feel are essential in order to produce a decent vlog. Before I start, I want to share with you why I have started vlogging. It wasn't because I wanted to become a vlogger or I wanted to share all my travels with the world. It started because I realized that when we travel, all we do to preserve our memories is making some pictures. And when we come home, we barely look at those pictures. We might look at them a couple of times and that's it. Pictures are not very effective when it comes to preserving the memories. Pictures are static, they don't show the movements, they don't show the emotions. So that's how I started vlogging. I started doing small videos here and there, and then I decided to create my own YouTube channel where I would upload all the vlogs to share with the world. And even if you don't want to share those videos with the world, do it just for yourself. Just try it and you're gonna love it. And it all starts with a camera. All you need is an iPhone or any phone that you have at your possession to start vlogging. As long as it has front camera and the back camera, you're set. Later on you can get a fancy vlog camera, you can get a fancy DSLR if you want to, but in order to start your vlogs, all you need is to have one simple camera. Most phones now come with a decent camera like this one, it's iPhone X. It comes with a 4K feature, that's more than you need in order to start your vlog. The second piece of equipment is your microphone. Now you might be thinking that your phone already has a microphone, so why bother having another microphone? Well, guess what? Your audio is more important than your video. That's right, your audio is very important, and therefore I would highly recommend having an external microphone to record all the audio for your vlogs. I'd love to show you my microphone, but unfortunately it's hidden behind this box, so I can't show it to you. Never mind, here it is. Essentially, it's a lavalier microphone with an external recording device. It's called Zoom H1 and it can record all the audio that you need, and then you simply put on top of the video that you're producing. Next piece, obviously you need some sort of selfie stick or a tripod. So something like this would work just fine. As you can see, it has a place for your phone, so you can put your phone right here. You can extend it, and this particular one has also extendable legs, so you can turn it very quickly into a tripod. And there you go. So you can use it as a selfie stick by extending it, or you can use it, as I said, as a tripod. I also have another tripod which looks something like this. Unlike the other one, this one has flexible legs. As you can see, I can bend them. You can put it around a branch of a tree. So literally wrap it around the branch of the tree and it will hang there while you're making your video. Now, if you're shooting in a wet environment where there's lots of water, where maybe you have dust or other environment that is not good for your camera, consider having a waterproof case. Something like this is very efficient, and basically you drop your phone inside the case and there's 2 buttons on the front. You lock them and that's it. Your phone is secured and you can shoot your video through that. Very effective. We were doing water rafting in Thailand last year and this case came very handy. When you travel to other countries, you want to make sure your equipment can be charged, and therefore you want to make sure that you have proper adapters for the outlets based on the country where you're going. So definitely keep some of them handy when you're going to Europe, to South America, some other countries, to Asia. I don't take voltage adapters because my equipment works with 220 volts, with 100 volts or 110 volts. So I don't really need voltage adapter, but make sure that your equipment is ready for the voltage of the country where you're going. You might consider getting yourself a mobile lens. What it is, it's a very compact lens that you put on top of your camera. It will increase the area that you can shoot, whether you're doing pictures or videos. For example, here's the picture of me with a camera without the lens. As you can see, there's not much fitting in the camera. And here's another picture made from the same camera, same distance, but now I'm using my lens. As you can see, much more area is fitting into the camera, and you can also use it for the videos. Very effective. Simply put this lens on top of the camera using the clip this way, and that's it. You can shoot your videos and you can make your pictures. The other side of this lens is like a microscope. You can take it out and then you can again place it on your phone, and here's what you can shoot with it. Pretty neat, huh? Now, one of the things you want to have with you when you travel is a USB drive. Not a regular USB drive, but the one you can use with your phone. So this is how it looks. One side of that is a regular USB. The other side of that is fitting your camera, fitting your phone. So you can basically transfer the files from your phone to USB, and you will have more memory available for you when you shoot videos or make pictures. You can also use it as a backup. You can move your files to this USB drive, and in case something happens to your camera, you always have a backup. Now that USB can only fit so much information. You definitely want to get yourself an external hard drive, especially if you're making lots of videos. You don't want to lose them. This is something that you can get on Amazon, any other equipment stores, and it will allow you to save a lot of information. This particular one is not huge, but it's not small either. It has about 4 terabytes of information, enough to keep all my videos that I have accumulated over the years, all my pictures. So a great way to back up your videos, your pictures. Last thing you want is to lose all those memories that you made during your travels. Now the next piece of equipment is not must-have, but it will make your vlog a very dramatic, very effective, and of course I'm talking about a drone. This one is DJI Spark, very compact. I picked it up actually for the size. It's very compact, yet it's very effective, can fly very high. It has a remote control. Make sure you get it with the remote control package. It's very easy to control with using this remote control, and definitely spend some time learning this thing. Once you get to know it, you're gonna love it. I mean, you can definitely do your vlogs without a drone, but if you want to capture something that you can't see with your own eyes when you're on the ground, something like this or something like this, you definitely want to get a drone. Now the next piece of equipment I want to share with you is something that I picked up a year or so ago, and I'm so glad I got it. Look at this, it looks like a rifle, isn't it? So careful opening that at the airport. It's called Smooth 4. Essentially what it does, it makes your video smooth. So one thing is to walk around with a normal tripod with a selfie stick, and another thing is to use stabilizer. Let me show you how it works. This device will ensure a very smooth video. As you can see, as I'm going up and down, left or right, it maintains the same level, and it makes your video extremely smooth. In fact, let me show you the difference. I'm gonna record a video of myself going down the stairs using a regular selfie stick, and then I'm gonna show you the same footage but using the Smooth 4, and you're gonna see the difference for yourself. And this concludes the part 1 of the 3-part series about how to vlog. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning, you don't need to have all this equipment. All you need to start is your camera, whether it's your phone or another camera, but please start. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see a new video every week.